Most people your age have less than $500 in savings. Not because they're lazy, because nobody ever actually showed them how. Today that changes. We're talking about your first $1,000, 0 to 1,000, and I'm not going to waste your time with stuff that doesn't work. Let's get into it. Why $1,000 matters more than you think. Here's the thing about being broke. It's not just a money problem, it's a stress problem, a sleep problem, a my car breaks down and now my whole life falls apart problem. That first $1,000 is not a flex, it's a firewall. It's the difference between a bad week and a financial disaster. Most people skip straight to investing, passive income, all that, but if you don't have a cushion first, one unexpected bill will wipe everything out, every single time. So step one is simple, forget trying to get rich, just get stable. $1,000, that's the mission. The brutal math, let's be real about the numbers. $1,000 sounds like a lot when you're starting from zero, but broken down, it's $84 a month. That's less than $3 a day, less than a coffee, less than most people spend on subscriptions they forgot about. So the goal isn't impossible. It just feels impossible because no one's ever walked you through it step by step. Here's how you actually do it. Step 1. Find your hidden money before you earn more. Find what you're already losing. Pull up your bank statement. Last 30 days, just look at it. Don't judge yourself, just look. You will find money leaking somewhere. A subscription you forgot, food delivery 3 times a week, stuff you bought to feel better for 5 minutes. We all do it. The average person wastes around $200 a month on stuff they genuinely don't care about. $200 a month is $2,400 a year. That's more than double your goal, just sitting there bleeding out. You don't have to cut everything fun, just cut the stuff that doesn't actually make you happy, that's it. Write down 2 or 3 things you can pause right now. Not forever, just for 90 days while you hit this goal. Step 2, open a separate account. This is the step most people skip, and it's why most people fail. If your savings live in the same account as your spending money, you will spend it. That's not a character flaw, that's just how the brain works. Out of sight, out of mind works both ways. Open a second account, a free one, any bank, takes 10 minutes, and call it Do Not Touch, or $1,000 goal. Whatever keeps you motivated. Then set up an automatic transfer, even $25 a week, even $10. Just automate it so you never have to make the decision again. The secret to saving money isn't willpower, it's removing the decision entirely. Step 3. Add one income stream. Cutting alone won't get you there fast enough. You need to push from both sides. Now, I'm not going to tell you to start a business or become an influencer. That takes time. What I'm talking about is fast, simple, boring money. Sell something you own. Everyone has stuff they don't use. Old clothes, electronics, games. One decent sell on Facebook Marketplace or eBay could be $50, $100, maybe more. Pick up one extra shift. Do one gig job weekend. Offer to help a neighbor with something. One extra $100 or $200 a month cuts your timeline in half. This doesn't have to be your forever plan. It's just a sprint. 90 days, then you're done. The timeline. Let's put it all together. Cut $100 a month in wasted spending. Save $100 a month automatically. Make an extra $100 a month one way or another. That's $300 a month. Your first $1,000 in just over 3 months. 3 months, that's it. And here's what nobody tells you about hitting that first goal. The second one gets easier, because now you have proof that you can do it. That proof is worth more than any budgeting app or spreadsheet. You're not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because no one taught you this stuff, and the system kind of benefits from you staying confused. But you're here. You watched this far. That already puts you ahead of most people who just scroll and complain and do nothing. Start today, not Monday, not next month. Today. Open that second account, cut one thing, move $25 right now. The first step is always the hardest. The rest is just momentum. If this helped you, subscribe, because we drop videos like this every week. Real money talk, no fluff, no get-rich-quick garbage. Just stuff that actually works. See you in the next one.